Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Keep watching to see this look. Let's get started. First, I'm using Lash Boost on my lash line. It helps your lashes grow. Next, I'm using Rodan & Field's Triple Defense Treatment. It's a really great moisturizer. Next is Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. This stuff is amazing. And my favorite foundation, Born This Way, Too Faced in light beige. You just gotta blend all that out. Next, we're doing concealer in light by Too Faced. Again, I like to keep consistent with the products that I use by the same brands because I feel like they work well together. Concentrate on the areas you want to highlight on your face. Just keep blending till it's all even. Next, we're doing Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. You just want to tap some of the excess off and really pack it under your eye where that concealer is, because that's where mostly it starts to cake and crease, and you don't want that. And then I'm just putting a little bit more all around my face. Now, if you girls have lash extensions, make sure you brush them out really good, and also right before you're doing your brows as well. Next, I'm using Billion Dollar Brows in brown. Just make sure you're doing light strokes. Always do a little at a time because less is more. You just want to sit back and check how even they are. Eyebrows should be sisters, not twins. Just keep drawing your shape in. Alright, so now that you have your brows done, you want to repeat on the other side, and then we're going to take some concealer with a flat brush and just carve out the shape that you created. This really helps to lift your eyebrows up. Next, you're going to take a small beauty blender and blend it out. I'm also doing the top part of my brows the same way with a flat brush and concealer, and then blending it out. You just want to repeat on the other side. Make sure you really carve out the shape really good. Next, we're using Tarte Pro Glow palette. This is one of my favorites. I use this every day, and I use it for all over my face. We're just gonna start with the bronzer and just sweep it underneath your cheekbones. I usually like to make some faces while I'm doing this. Next, we're going to use some blush, and you just want to apply this to the apples of your cheeks and blend it out. I'm going to use some of the highlighter for my eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking some of the bronzer and applying it to the crease. And I'm just going to pack a little more of this highlight onto my eye. Next, we're going to be using the highlighter to highlight the cheekbones, down the nose, around the eyes, Cupid's bow. And I'm going to finish my contour with contouring around my nose with a small brush. Let me know in the comments if you want to see how I get my hair to be so long and thick. I'll do that in the next video. Right now it's bothering me, so I'm going to put it up in a sloppy bun. I just like start with just a regular bun and then I wrap the ends around and pull on it to make it look messy. Alright, so let's get this going here. Next, what are we going to do next? I don't know. Let's see. Alright, next we're going to do Ofra Nikki Tutorials highlighter in Everglow. And I'm just using the darkest bronze just to add a little more highlight to my cheeks, around my eyes, down my nose. I'm going to use the lighter shade. I'm going to switch the brush and use one of the highlights for my lid. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm going to spray it first with Hangover Primer Spray by Too Faced. And we're just going to go in with the lightest shade. And then we're going to pick up the medium shade and we're going to blend that out and do a little dance into the middle of your eye and outward. And then we're going to take the darker shade and do the crease. Make sure you blend this really well and put a little bit under your eye so it matches. Alright, next we're going to use Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara only on the bottom because I have lash extensions and you do not want to put mascara on the top. Next we're going to use Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow in Cotton Candy just on the lid, and I'm going to put a little bit on my lips. Next we're going to go in with the Icon Eyebrow Cushion in medium. This is an eyebrow stain, so you have to be really light-handed with it. And I usually start at my tail of my eyebrow and then I draw a little bit thicker underneath where my arch is. And then I will switch the brush and just dip it in the brush side and I'll brush through the middle and the ends. Just going in and making sure that they're even.